How to repost a story on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can repost a story on Instagram, whether you have been mentioned or not. So without further ado, let's get started. So, if someone mentions you in their story, you will get a DM notification. And here is how you can repost it. So, open the Instagram and from there simply tap on the chat icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. Now, find the message where you were mentioned. And here you can see the option labeled add to your story. So, simply tap on it. And once you see the interface like this, you can edit it if you want to, but if you are satisfied with this, you're gonna simply tap on the arrow icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen, and from there simply tap on share and tap on done, and that's it. Now your repost is live. But what if you want to repost someone's story but they didn't mention you? So to do that, you can simply follow these steps. First, you need to ask for permissions by sending them a DM, and once they have given you the permission to post their story, you can simply take a screenshot or screen record their story, and once you're done with that, you can simply open Instagram and tap on your story option at the top left, and here select the saved screenshot or screen recording from your gallery. And here if you want to add text, stickers or gift, you can add it, and once you're done with that, you can simply tap on the arrow button shown in the bottom right corner of the screen, and from the pop-up menu you can simply tap on share, and next you can tap on done, and after that the story will be updated, and that's it. Now you know how to repost stories on Instagram, whether you were mentioned or not. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.